The Power Query Editor in Power BI is your primary tool for cleaning and transforming data before you start building visuals. Think of it like a data workshop where you get to tidy things up, fix errors, and reshape the data just the way you need. When you import a messy dataset, the Power Query Editor is the first place to go. To access it, click Transform Data on the Home ribbon. This opens a new window with a column-based view of your dataset. Each step you apply, like changing data types or removing blank rows, is recorded and applied in sequence. These steps are saved automatically, so you can reuse them when the dataset updates. Whether your data has inconsistent formats, blank fields, or duplicate entries, Power Query provides user-friendly tools to resolve it. Mastering this editor is essential because clean data leads to accurate visuals, reliable reports, and faster analytics across your organization.